Hey guys, just got back from the New Balance shoe store and I want to show you exactly what I got here. A nice pair of women's shoes. These are really nice. These are New Balance. They're called Fresh Foam X1, I think 1440 V1. They're running shoes. What I like about these, you can see they're a nice mesh, so they get some nice good airflow, and they're really super comfortable. I like the speckle. You can see the speckle on the bottom of the sole here. Very well made. The tongue and everything's all included within the shoe, which is really nice. It's got a lot of support, plenty of room inside here, and I like that. You can see it's like a cork on the side of the New Balance, the end there, so which is very cool and very different. So these are really cool looking. I think they're really super comfortable. What I like the most about them is the mesh. So you get the airflow when your feet when you're running or walking, and I love that cool look with that New Balance logo. You can see how the tongue is just sewn into the shoe, so that way you don't have to worry about that falling inside, which is really important. And you can see all the speckle on the bottom. It's just a very different looking shoe. Just a nice look, and I love the way that the one side is a mute New Balance end, and the other side is like a cork, which is very different. So I highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice quality running shoe and just something fashionable and fun to wear. This is the one I really recommend. Thanks for watching.